Good morning, welcome to BTP, Michael Jenkins here. Today we're going to play a bit of a game, a did you know game. Did you know that many PABXs in use out there across South Australia and Australia are NBN compatible? Many are. Many telcos, many ISPs, many phone companies come in and tell you, hey look, your phone's not going to make it, it's not compatible, and of course try and force you out. Many PABXs are compatible, many can talk to a WAN connection, many can actually support VoIP. Now, did you also know, at BTP, we can help you get NBN, we can help you get VoIP, and we can help you with PABXs and soft phones and phones on your devices and all that kind of thing, and presence information and messages on hold and all that kind of stuff. You might not have known that. Now, here we go. We can supply small PABXs, big PBXs. We can supply all sorts of recording systems, logging systems, all kinds of handsets. Business Technology Partners has a sister company, Business Telecommunications Partners. Did you know? Like I said today, we're playing Did You Know? So I'm not sure that you knew these things. I'm not sure that you knew that we did phone systems. I'm not sure that you knew we had a sister company. I'm not sure that you knew that many PABXs are compatible with NBN, much to the disgust of those out there trying to sell more PABXs. So look, if you've got a PABX, you want to know if it'll work, want to know what the alternatives are, what the advantages are. There's one little advantage with the PABX, all phone calls are internal if you're internally going between desk to desk. If you're doing it over a soft phone system, all internal phone calls go via the internet provider, thus increasing the chances of something going wrong, and data charges. But look, that's just one thing we didn't sort of tell you up front, us guys in the industry. No one's told you these things. But look, we're here to tell you. Come and ask us. Talk to us about PABXs.